The secret to financial freedom in 2022 is sitting right here in your hand. All you have to do is follow along with a few simple steps and automate a system, and you'll be on your way. Stick around to the end of this video because I'm going to show you how you can actually leverage this tool to earn big bucks for referrals coming up. Right in, pull open your phone, hit the Acorns app, and we're going to dive right into this process. If you don't have the Acorns app,
Jelly! What's the matter with you?
I'll leave a link down in the description below where you'll earn $5 to get started. Go download that, fund your account, and come back to this video. Stick around to the end because there's a big bonus. Open the app, then click Later Starts Today. This is the easy automated account setup. The app will create a portfolio based on your situation and automatically adjust over time. It's similar to a target date fund that comes in your employer-sponsored account. To find out which account is right for you, simply answer a few questions. Your employment, are you self-employed? Are you full-time or part-time? Your marital status, are you married or single? Now your filings for taxes, are you single, filing separately or jointly? This all plays a part in investing for the long term. Now, add your combined annual income and think of all your income sources. Then, do either of you have an employer-sponsored retirement plan like a 401k? If you do, then it would be wise to grow these two accounts simultaneously. Remember that this account is separate from the one you're contributing at work, and your 401k might be taxed different and also have an employer-sponsored match. Once you've entered this information, the app will create an account that best suits your situation. For me, it's a Roth IRA, an individual retirement account. This is for investing after tax dollars. This is the take-home pay or your bottom line. Because you've already paid taxes on this money, you can now invest it and earn from your growth, dividends, and interest tax-free. Acorns app will give you all the details you need, like income, retirement age, contribution limits. Under 49, you can contribute up to $6,000. If you're over 50, you contribute up to $7,000. There's additional information at the bottom of this page for you to digest. As for your portfolio, they have the core option, which I use, or the ESG. They calculated an 80-20 mix of stocks and bonds for my situation, which is a moderately aggressive portfolio. Now, how much should you put in? Use this calculator to see how much you could potentially have when you reach retirement age. $10 a week would be over $39,000 hypothetically. The more you invest, the more potential gain you have. So $100 a week could be over $390,000. This is based on retiring at 65 years on the specific portfolio that was recommended to me. This is not financial advice. This is for your education and entertainment purposes only. Consult a financial professional before you make any of these decisions yourself. For right now, we'll just start with $10. Now, don't forget to add a beneficiary. Worst case scenario, we don't make it to retirement age and this asset is left sitting. A beneficiary will inherit this, so you want to enter their name in now and make sure you talk to them about it so they're aware that they are a beneficiary of something. Because if the time comes too soon, that's one more thing that might be a headache. So let's make it as easy as possible. To be clear, Acorns uses exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. To see the breakdown of the ETFs that they will be using in your portfolio, just click on your portfolio, scroll to the left, and it'll show you all the different funds that it's using. What you can do now is click on the video on the screen, and I'll tell you about their referral bonus. You do not want to miss this. People are making up to $1,000 in some cases. You're not going to want to miss this.